Hello and welcome back. Okay, today I've got a little kick cylinder. It's one of the little kick cylinders that the Late Night Lockpicker sent me all the way from Canada. If you haven't checked out his channel already, as I said on my package opening from Chris from the Late Night Lockpicker, he's an absolutely awesome guy, awesome lockpicker, and he's a pretty awesome lock maker as well. This is not my first attempt at this lock, so we'll see what it takes to get into it today. Okay, we're going to use a 50 thousandths Sparrows tension bar, and just like a Salford medium hook. Let's just get you squared up there, zoom in, there we go, and let's see what it takes to get into this. Okay, back of the keyway. Okay, I'm just going to use light tension because obviously it's a challenge lock. Okay, just going to work my way back to front. 3. Ease off the tension a little bit. This is the first lock I've picked from the Late Night Lockpicker. And I've seen a few of his challenge locks out there on YouTube, and they're all pretty awesome. I've got plenty of things to keep busy in there, and I don't actually think this one's any different. It's okay, got a nice little clicker, 6 or 5. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah, 6. Okay, I'll click out a 1. There's definitely some serrated pins here. Okay, come back. Getting that up there. It's quite a high cut, I think, that one. I forgot to mention that there is no key for this this lock. Okay, I've got a little turn the core that time off of 6. A little click off of 1, a little more of a turn of the core there, a little click off of 5, there we go. That's pin 3. Pin 6, I think 6 set. Let's just go back to 3. I think it's the only thing giving me counter. Okay, it's 3 and we're open. Oops, sorry, awesome. 4 minutes. Okay, let's see what Chris has put in it. Okie dokie. Get that out of the way. Oops, sorry. Keep this in focus. Okay, let's move that down. There we go. Okay, let's get that out of the way. Awesome lock, Chris. Really thoroughly enjoyed picking that. Plenty of feedback, and I'm guessing that 3 might be a T-pin or something. Something that got stuck there. Let's just see if I can get this off. I've got to make sure I don't lock it up because I haven't got a key. I can't really get this clip off. Come on. There we go, that's better. There we go. Okay, let's get a shim. Let's keep a little pin in that. Okay, pins are away from me. Let's get a shim in there. There we go, I think we're in. That's good, we're in there. Get a follower. Pins are away from me. Okay. Okay. Let's focus. Okay, so we've got thread in 1, 2, and 3, and we've got an awesome T-pin in 3 there. Okay, let's just get that down a little bit more. Okay, keeping 1. I'll show you the pins afterwards. And pin 2, keeping 3, 4, and 5. Oh wow, we'll have a quick look at them now. So we've got like a spooled keep-in 1, a standard little keep-in in 2, like a wedding cake, oops sorry, a wedding cake T-pin in 3, a spool with like a beveled edge on 4, and a serrated in 5. Awesome pins there. And then for the Bible, he goes confidently. Sorry, went in. So this will be the pin 1. Should have marked it really, shouldn't I? Not doing a very good job of this, am I? Okay, let's just zoom in a bit more there. You can see what I'm doing. Okay. Take the shim out. Yeah, so this would be pin 1, wouldn't it? Just got yes, that's coming out of there. I just got to make sure I get this around the right way, really. Yeah, so this would be pin 1. Okay, back with us now. Sorry about that. Okay. Okay, so we've got this really nice serrated in pin 1 going that way, and a copper spring. Okay, pin 2. And this awesome spool with a slightly tapered edge in 2, going that way around, and a steel spring. And a tapered edge in pin 3, and that way around, and a steel spring this way. Got this really nice serrated in 5 with a copper spring, and then in pin 4 we've got this spool, which I think is just like a commercial spool in 5, and a copper spring. Awesome. Okay, let's see if we can get down there and zoom in a bit more. There we go. So just going back over these key pins, we've got like a spooled key pin with like a little serration on top in 1, standard in 2, like a wedding cake T-pin in 3, spool in 4, and a serrated in 5, a serrated in 1, like a serrated spool in 2, standard in 3, a spool in 4, and a lovely serrated in 5. And then obviously the springs, copper, steel, steel, copper, copper. Awesome lock, Chris. Oops. Awesome lock, Chris. Thanks ever so much for everything, all the locks. They've been absolutely superb. Put that back there and that back in there. And I can't wait to get started on the next one. Thanks again. See you next time. Take care now. Bye.